Finding water is one of the main priorities of survival. But nature is not like a supermarket. You can't just go in, take a bottle of water and some food, and then leave again. You gotta find your water and you gotta earn it. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Having a look at your area is the most important thing when trying to find water. For example, you can see that the area is kind of going downhill and it's all gathering at this point there. And we're gonna go there, and I already know we're gonna find water because I already was there. And another very good sign is that there are trees, but all around there's just the field. So let's go there. So guys, now we're there. You can see that the area is going downhill. Also from here and also from there. There's actually a duck, and I also heard some frogs. So that means that this water you can actually use for drinking and should be pretty safe since other animals use it as well. So here's another example. You can see it's going downhill again, and here as well. So it should be gathering somewhere there. So unfortunately this place here is dried out because there's just no protection from the sun. So where there was some water here, as you can see, there are probably some bores here. That means there was water, but it's now probably gone. Yeah, seems just like it. Okay, so sometimes you don't have luck with finding water, but still the technique works if there is enough shadow for the water. So here we have another great example. So the road is actually going downhill and the whole area as well, and it's all gathering in there, and that's where I was in the last video. That's where I got my water from, and we're just going to check it out again, and then I'm going to show you two other methods. So guys, here's one body of water and here's the other one. That's where I got my water from last time. And you can also see this here was once filled with water just a few weeks ago, but now it's dried out because there's again no protection from the sun. So in the end, just search for dark places where all of the water gathers, and then you should find some water. Now for the next method, we need to build a tool first. Okay, so we're going to use this trench here. It's near a field, and we're just going to make it a little bit deeper. So guys, now I put my tarp over the trench and I just stake it down with these 4 stakes here. So I would use this for rain collection. So it's just gonna sit here when it rains. All of the rain collects down there and then you can use it as drinking water. So good to take a break. Now for the last method you need a cotton bandana and you're just going to wrap this around your foot. And like this you're gonna walk through the grass, but you can only do this before sunrise when there's still some water on it. And then you have all of the water in here so it's wet. And then you just squeeze it out like this into a container. And like this you've got water. So guys, that was the last technique. I hope you enjoyed it and I see you next time.